Primula's stovetop espresso coffee maker delivers 6 perfect demi-tasse servings of rich, authentic espresso or Cuban coffee. Stovetop espresso makers are popular because you can make quality espresso quickly, without the hassle of electric espresso machines. Primula's stovetop espresso maker is compact and easy to use. Its distinctive design provides even heat distribution for enhanced flavor and aroma. Included in each box are easy step-by-step instructions to make the perfect serving of espresso the very first time. Simply fill the lower chamber with water, fill the filter with ground coffee, and place on stovetop. Within minutes, delicious, bubbling espresso will fill the pot. Remove from heat and enjoy. This cast aluminum espresso maker features a safety release valve, a major factor in controlling the quality of your espresso. Turn up the flavor and the temperature on your coffee with the Cuisinart 14-cup programmable coffee maker. Using our cutting-edge coffee technology, the 14-cup programmable coffee maker can give you hotter coffee without sacrificing taste. Choose a regular or bold flavor profile and set the brew time up to 24 hours ahead so your next cup is ready when you are. The backlit LCD is easy to read, a ready tone can be turned on or off, and an indicator light signals when it's time to decalcify. Refer to the user manual for troubleshooting steps. Features: hotter coffee with expert coffee making technology to ensure hotter coffee temperature without sacrificing flavor or quality. Brew strength control allows you to select regular or bold coffee flavor. Fully automatic with 24-hour programmability. Self-clean 1 to 4 cup setting. Auto off 0 to 4 hours. Introducing the K-Duo Single Serve and Carafe Coffee Maker, the perfect brewer for any occasion. This versatile brewer is the best of both worlds, using both K-cup pods and ground coffee to brew a cup and a carafe of your favorite varieties. The included 12-cup glass carafe and heating plate are perfect for keeping your coffee hot, and the added convenience of the pause and pour feature makes serving a snap. No need to wait for the entire carafe to brew. The Keurig K-Duo coffee maker can be paused mid-brew for 20 seconds, so you can pour fresh, hot coffee right away. Or set your preferred brew time up to 24 hours in advance and enjoy a freshly brewed carafe right when you want it with programmable Carafe Auto Brew. Create your perfect cup and carafe every time with the K-Duo coffee maker. Choose your favorite ground coffee, or choose from hundreds of delicious K-cup pod varieties of coffee, tea, cocoa, and more. Use the strong brew button for a bolder, more intense single cup. With multiple brew sizes, you can make a 6, 8, 10, or 12 cup carafe for large gatherings, as well as a 6, 8, 10, or 12 ounces cup just for you. You can brew the perfect amount of fresh, full-flavored coffee whether you're hosting friends or just enjoying a cup and a moment to yourself. Ninja Coffee Brewer is a 12-cup programmable coffee maker with custom brew strengths and a hotter brewing advanced boiler to make hot, flavorful, and never bitter coffee. From a small batch 1 to 4 cups to a full carafe, classic or rich strengths, you can expect the same great taste. Enjoy ultimate convenience with 24-hour delay brew, an adjustable warming plate, and a removable water reservoir. The Ninja DualBrew Pro Specialty Coffee System delivers classic, rich, over ice, and specialty brews from your favorite coffee grounds or coffee pods. Customize your brew with 9 grounds sizes from single serve to carafe and 4 pod sizes from 6 to 12 ounces. Use the fold-away frother to create cappuccinos and lattes or dispense hot water from the independent hot water system to make tea or soup. The Hamilton Beach FrontFill 12-cup programmable coffee maker is easy to fill from the front with a front-fill water reservoir and swing-open brew basket for coffee grounds. Now you can fill the water tank from the front of the machine, instead of the back. The swing-out brew basket is easier to fill and keep clean than a top-load basket. Autopause and Pour lets you pour yourself the first cup fast while coffee is still brewing, and you'll have peace of mind with automatic shutoff.